just got smacked in the face by a bug. Some bitch hit me right above my right eyebrow. What the heck? Shoot this shit, dude. See how my bike's bouncing around, but I'm not freaking out about it. It's just whatever. I'm right here, Bubs, no worries. We're gonna go right up here. See, look at all these people out here, man. Even all the way out here. Camp is way back over there, man. Coming in hot. Hey, there's my boat. What the hell? Who stole my boat and brought it out here? I'm just kidding, it's not mine. What the hell would I want a boat for? I don't. Did you? Let's go check it out. Just ran over a snake? What? Where's this little fucker at? Yeah.
One more valley over.
No worries. You want to try to find this snake real quick?
I think he was right there when he crossed.
Let's go.
Probably in his hole.
Oh, right here.
See his mark?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is, dude. That's a rattle, dude. Come on. I've never seen a dead rattlesnake like that.
Where's he at? Oh yeah, I see his tail. Yeah. Is that a rattler though? No, it's not. Oh shit. He's
red racer though. Those things are mean.
Are they venomous or what?
No, they're not.
Alright.
He doesn't have rattles on him yet.
No, he doesn't.
Oh, he just went down his hole.
Did he? Nope, he's still right here. Yeah. He's looking right at me too, dude.
Yeah, no, this was really catch a snake,
Yeah.
and they'll bite you. It'll hurt, but I used to have one of those.
Like he wants to come bite me, but he's like doesn't want to get caught either. Come here, little fucker.
He'll come at you and move fast.
I don't know if it's gonna come out on camera or not. I've been wanting to catch a snake for so goddamn long, man, because it's been.
Just fucking be quicker than him and snag him at the back of the head.
Problem is he's looking right at me, so it's like I can't. He's watching every fucking move that I make with both hands. He went to go bite me. Found him.
Yep.
Yeah, he's.
Sure he doesn't have any rattles on him.
He doesn't. I saw his tail as it was over there.
I got right over that bitch. He was stretched out, man. He's probably hurting.
Yeah, a little bit. That's why he's like, dude, I wish I had a hook or something to fucking. It's not like I've been bit by snakes before, but I just don't want to get bit now.
Well, you don't want a poisonous one.
That's what I'm saying, is I don't want to take that chance of getting bit by something that might be venomous that I'm not sure about. I'm not gonna hurt this thing. I just want to check him out, man. That's all I want to do. I just want to check him out, man. So he's pissed, man. He's pissed. Yeah. See, he's. See, damn, he is quick. Fuck.
I'm telling you, man, he's quick.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Shit, he's going, dude. Yeah, he gone, man. There's a whole thing here somewhere, man. Dude, that motherfucker was way out over here and just fucking just whipped around, almost caught my hand.
He came all over here just a second.
Damn. Dude, I love snakes, man. Shit. Yeah, we ain't gonna find his ass now, man.
No, he's probably in there somewhere in that bush.
Yeah, he gone, bro. Dude, I love snakes, man. I just love catching them and checking them out.
He can way to take over there now. Is that little fucking triangle over there to the base?
Yeah.
I didn't know we was actually on it.
I didn't realize it was this close to these people's houses right here.
Yeah, I told my buddy James, this house is border on it. I mean, it's in the front yard.
Fuck.
You mean my battery's dead?
Yeah. It's not just dead, it's dead.
Yeah, I don't fucking be looking for no rattlers. Man.
Dude, I catch rattlers too by my hands. You just gotta be quicker than it to not bite your ass. I know, dude, like that.
I didn't even see him fucking spike at you. How quick he was.
Yeah. Because he started going that way towards you, and I went to go grab his tail, and the whole half of him fucking just with. I'm like, nope, fuck you, dog. Nope. Oh, he's still here, dude. Come here. Check him out. Come here.
Is right there?
Yeah, you can see his head right there.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I used to have one when I was a kid. It wasn't that big.
Yeah, you see him now?
Yeah, he's fucking watching this for sure.
Oh, yeah, he's looking right at me wanting to strike, too.
Now, they got fangs, dude. They got fangs that they'll fucking bite you and it'll hold on to you.
Oh, yeah.
Their fangs will dig in. They don't have poison.
I don't know where he's at now on this.
He turned around and went that way.
Oh, did he?
I see him over here.
Thank God we got boots on.
His head's right here. He's backing up now.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
He's going the other way.
I see his tail here. Yeah, he definitely. Oh, yeah, he's climbing up the. Oh, here he is. Right here. Oh, fuck. His head's right here, dog. Come here. Hey, come around this side over here behind me. He's looking right at me. His head's right here in the bush.
He's up in the air. He's trying another practice.
Yeah.
I don't want to the locals will see us fucking trying to get him because they'd probably get mad at us.
Yeah, I just want to check them out, man. That's the only thing I'm wanting to do. Like, I ain't trying to hurt the damn thing. I love snakes, man.
Yeah, I still think that if somebody comes around, we should act like we're doing something else.
Yeah, right. Well, I'll leave them alone. Yeah, that's cool as shit, man. Thing really is cool as hell, man, to see snakes. That thing is quick as shit, too.
That's why they call them the red racer.
Oh, what?
The red racer.
Want some help? Oh, it's upside down.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No wonder.
I'm hoping he's picking up on camera, man.
He's up in that fish.
Yeah, he's right there. If y'all can see, there's his body right there. See him moving? He's looking right at me, but he's like right here. He's like right about here. I'm trying to keep him. He's focused on me, so you're good.
Yeah, but he's gonna turn around and look.
Yeah, he's starting to turn towards you right now. Yep, he's focused on you too. Now he's back on me. Focused on you right now. Oh, he didn't like that. Be careful, he's starting to come up that way with his head. See him?
Yeah. He wants to bite me. You see him bite?
Yep. I just touched him, now he's coming back my way. He's not happy about me touching him. He's going back that way to the, over towards you. There he is.
I think all we gotta do is get around this little knoll.
Yeah.
And then we'll be in line with fucking my truck. Pissing that guy off.
He's like right underneath on the opposite side from me. Like he doesn't know what to do. Like he wants to leave, but he doesn't want to. Here he comes. He's over here.
He's got this big foot, man.
Yeah, he's right here.
He'll put it out there and bite you. If they do.
He's going back that way. But he's curling up. He doesn't know what to do.
Uh-oh. See that?
What?
Just heard something. Real close to us.
Like a person or what?
No, like a piece of wood dropping or something. Oh, dude. Drop some pads on it.
Can't see where his head is. Oh, I see his head. He's looking right at me. His head's right here. That'll cool him off and give him some. I wonder if I should just reach in there and grab him.
He's almost fully grown.
I'm just halfway tempted to just.
You're not going to get him close enough to the neck, and he's going
Yeah, right.
to reach around and get you.
As long as they ain't venomous, I don't give a fuck. Or poisonous or whatever. Yeah, I checked him out enough. I don't need to touch him. Now, where's the slower snake?
He went right over the center of him, man. He was fully stretched out.
Yeah, getting some sun and shit.
I think he was crossing. Where did I get him at?
Right here. See, there's his little wiggly marks right there.
Moving him over.
Hopefully you didn't. I don't think you hurt him. I think you just scared the shit out of him. More than anything. 223 or 556.
223.
Nice. Almost look, yeah. I think it's beer break time, yeah? Or do you want to wait till we get back to the truck?
Just go a little bit further.
Alright.
Like around this fucking hill. We get up on it. And once I can see there fucking where we gotta go, I think it's the next valley over.
Yeah, it's right on the other side of these hills.
There's fucking park somewhere up higher where there's a breeze.
I wonder if that's a post for...
No, I think it's part of somebody's fucking land around here or something.
Right. You want to maybe go up that hill? See if we can't get up that hill there?
Yeah.
I don't know how well we're going to do that, but...
We can get around it too, to the side of it, or to the left of it.
Yeah. We'll try it. One way or the other.
When I came through here,
Yeah.
my bike fucking, I don't know what happened to my bike, but I had to push it in the soft sand wall for about a quarter mile to that first house that we came up on.
Oh, shit.
When we were coming this way.
Yeah.
And we turned right.
Yeah.
That house right there. I stopped at that house and there was cars there and everything, but nobody was there.
Oh, fuck.
I was knocking, hey man, can I use your phone, man? Because my phone didn't work.
Yeah.
My bike was not starting.
Oh, fuck.
I had to get towed back. Some dude on a UTV towed me back.
And
All the way back to where we were parked.
that's a bitch too, man. How'd you tow it back?
It was hauling ass, dude. I was like, you're fucking nuts, dude, old man.
What was he doing, towing?
Going too fast, man.
Like, did you have it strapped hooked to your bike and he was just towing you like
I
that?
had it strapped to my fucking foot peg.
Oh shit, fuck
He
that.
was whipping it, dude. I was fucking pissed, man.
Shoot.
I was glad that he got me back.
Yeah.
It was getting dark out.
Yeah.
And I was getting scared, man, that I was going to have to leave my bike somewhere. And it would not have been there if I came back for it.
Oh, heck no. That looks like a little fun trail. That little U-turn up there, horseshoe.
Yeah.
But I'm not going backwards. I'm going that way. Thank God we found a snake, though.
Yeah.
I'm happy to see a snake out in the wild, man. That's cool.
Definitely.
I don't see snakes out in the desert anymore, man.
Not really, no. Yeah, but they're just...
You just don't see them. You know, and it's nice to see wildlife again, man. Other than just jackrabbits. And the yotes.
Yeah, I think my fucking battery got unplugged because I don't have my fan anymore. My taillights are out, so my battery got unplugged or something.
It'll still run, though, without it.
Oh, it does, yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right, Mr. Snake, I'll see you later. Oh, that air feels good, the breeze. It's not so hot out here when we're moving. But when you sit still, it's like, yeah. Hey man, I wanted to go up that hill, man. What the hell? Whatever. Doesn't matter. Don't know what your sign says. So that sign that said keep left, I'm like, alright, respect. Keep left, okay. I got you. Not trying to piss nobody off. Oh, that's private property, dog. I'd like to have one of these old houses, man. That'd be cool. If anybody's interested, my birthday's May 29th. If you don't know what to give me for my birthday, just give me one of these little houses out here in the middle of the desert. I'll be alright with that. Damn, we got way out there, man. I didn't realize we were that far out. Damn, dude, what you do to that poor truck? Jeez, dude. Overshot the turn twice. Don't go flying off into that. fucking arm pump sucks. Ah. Ah. Ah.